Religions have been a cornerstone of human civilization, providing a framework for understanding the world and our place in it. The origins of religions are deeply rooted in the human experience, offering profound insights into our quest for meaning, social cohesion, moral guidance, and the need to explain the mysteries of existence. This essay explores the multifaceted reasons behind the creation of religions, highlighting how these belief systems have shaped cultures, societies, and individual lives throughout history. The creation of religions can be attributed to a complex interplay of factors including humanity's innate curiosity, the desire for moral guidance, the need for communal bonds, the attempt to make sense of the unexplained, and the reflection of cultural values, all of which drove the formation of diverse belief systems. The human curiosity and wonder. From the earliest days of human existence, individuals have been driven by curiosity and wonder about the world around them. The creation of religions was, in part, a response to this curiosity, a way to give meaning to the natural phenomena that shape daily life. Sunrises and sunsets, the changing of seasons, and the mysteries of birth and death all spurred the development of religious explanations that provided a sense of order and predictability. Cultural identity and values. Religions often reflect the core values and beliefs of a particular culture or society. As communities formed and interacted, religious narratives emerged as a means of establishing cultural identity. These narratives, passed down through generations, not only shaped cultural norms but also reinforced a sense of continuity with the past. Coping with uncertainty and fear. Human history is riddled with uncertainties and fears, crop failures, diseases, and natural disasters among them. Religions provided solace and hope in times of crisis, offering rituals, prayers, and explanations that gave individuals a way to cope with the unpredictable and uncontrollable aspects of life. Transcending mortality. The fear of death has been a driving force behind religious creation. Religions have offered the promise of an afterlife or reincarnation, providing comfort to individuals facing the inevitable reality of mortality. This belief in an existence beyond death has helped individuals confront their own finitude with greater acceptance. Social control and order. The creation of religions has often been intertwined with the establishment of societal norms and hierarchies. Religious leaders served as moral authorities, influencing the behavior of their followers through teachings and doctrines. This connection between religion and social order was particularly prominent in early civilizations, where religious beliefs played a crucial role in shaping legal codes and governance. The creation of religions is a testament to the intricate tapestry of human history and the depth of our desire for meaning and understanding. Rooted in curiosity, guided by moral principles, driven by communal bonds, and fueled by the need to navigate life's uncertainties, religions have evolved into diverse belief systems that continue to shape our world today. By exploring the motivations behind their creation, we not only gain insights into the past but also a deeper understanding of the profound ways in which religions influence our lives.